Calling for help is instinctive, but exhausting. You need a better way. The wilderness whistle, your ultimate tool for signaling and survival. By using basic tools like a pocket knife and natural materials, you can craft an improvised whistle to effectively signal for rescue.
What's the one tool you would prioritize in your pocket if you had to survive with just a single item, and why?
Now, let's move on to building a wilderness whistle. All you need is a pocket knife with a saw, such as the Victorinox, and a branch from an elder tree. Why elder? While most hardwoods are dense, the elder is the king of bushcraft. Its unique anatomy features a soft, cork-like pith in the center that's incredibly easy to hollow out. Look for a straight branch about the thickness of your thumb. With just a few precise cuts, you'll have a high-pitched signaling device that carries for miles. Now that you have your whistle, how do you use it effectively? You need to signal in a way that's recognized as a distress call. The most widely accepted international distress signal is the rule of threes. 3 short blasts. This is the most common signal for help or distress. A whistle is the most overlooked survival tool, but it only works if your team knows what the signals mean. In my book, Whistle Signals, I break down an easy-to-learn system for families and outdoor enthusiasts to communicate through wind, rain, and distance. From danger ahead to rally point, ensure your group is prepared for the unexpected. You can find whistle signals on Amazon, the bridge between having a tool and knowing how to use it. If you found this useful, hit the like button. It helps this safety info reach more people. Stay safe, stay prepared. I'll see you in the next one.